So this is my BMW 7 Series for 1000 euros. It's disgusting. Parking sensors not working at all, as well as front window, windshield washing and temperature sensor. And I need to flip it for profit. The BMW M3 Touring. That's my goal. I'm going to flip cars until I can afford one. Over 500 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and it will do 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. It's completely insane and completely practical at the same time. And I want it really bad. So let's get into it. So here's the deal. I'm going to buy, repair and clean beaten up cars like this one, so I can sell it later for profit. And I will do one, then second, then another, till I can afford BMW M3 Touring. Yeah, so it will not be simple at all, but maybe we would get there, right? These M3s are pretty expensive things, but you know, few thousand there, and we can slowly build up profits till I can afford somehow neglected M3 Touring, so I can fulfill my dream. Because this dream, it's pretty big for me, and I want to make it happen. So, let's start. Let's start with something simple. Even though it's nice outside, it shows minus 40 degrees. So let's unplug it. You can already see there is problem with the cable. So I bought a new sensor, but let's see if this will repair it. I think you can take apart this shell from the sensor itself. Okay, another cable snapped. Okay, so that's how somebody repaired it before me. Just twisted cables together and now it's corroded. Let's do it properly.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission.
So that's my final product. I'm gonna solder it back into a car and I'm gonna use new sensor.
Like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning.
Nice, it's finally working. Next thing on the list is windshield washing motor. It is located under front wheel well. And while I'm gonna remove the wheel, let's see our spending chart. For this car I paid 1000 euros. Registration fee was so expensive, it was 480 euros. The cheapest thing so far was a temperature sensor. It was nearly 7 euros. The chart is updated, so let's get back to work.
But I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, pulling it for the weekend. It's us. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah.
It's connected, so let's see if it works. These wiper blades are in really poor condition, so let's change them. Okay, now is the time to resolve some issues on the dashboard. The most easy would be the first one. Washer fluid. Yeah, I got this one for 2 euros. Oh shit, let me use 2 hands. Okay, it's gone. Good job. Next on the list, parking sensors. If you want to check if they work, you can just put your finger and you will feel like ticking and hear the noise. This one is dead, this one is clicking. I don't know if you can hear it, but this one nothing. This one makes noise. This one is dead for sure. In this car it's so easy because you will just remove this trim and it's under. See, pretty easy. So probably there will be problem with cable. On this side, outside is clicking and inside is silent. Yeah, outside one is clicking. Okay, this one is clicking on the inside, so cables are okay. We're just gonna swap parking sensor here, and there we have to check the cables. Got new sensor. And we're gonna mount it. I will check a new sensor here, just in case. Yeah, still nothing. So let me check the cables. Yeah, I can already see that one of the cables, so another cable work. Okay, so I removed the bumper a little bit. I cleaned the cables, so let's solder it together. I can already hear in the car that it's beeping. So let's put it together and see. Check the car now. Not showing anything. Back ones, this one clicks and this one is silent, so maybe we're gonna need to change this one also. I really hope it's gonna be the sensor, because these cables on this car. Okay, now it's clicking. Okay, all of them are clicking now. Yes, now I'm in front of gate and it's beeping. So another thing clear. Now the last thing is this freaking window. Do you hear it? Now it's stuck. Ah, there should be one behind this airbag logo. Oh yeah. Okay, finally. Yeah, that was really pain to repair and I'm happy that it's finished. Let's talk about money while I finish the cosmetics. Parking sensors, was 9 euros for piece. Motor for windscreen washing was also 9 euros, washer fluid 2 euros and window regulator 37 euros. So the total was almost 1600 euros.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they
Car was posted on Facebook Marketplace for 4000 euros. So how much I sold it for, what was the profit and what's gonna be next car? All of these questions will be answered in the next video. So please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder.